I will teach you about constants, variables, and keywords. So, what are the constants? Constants are those whose value never change throughout the program. Its value remain constants. There are two types of constant. First is primary constant and secondary constants. Primary constants are again subdivided into integer constant, real constant, and character constant. I will give you detailed information about these constants in later lecture. Secondary constant. Secondary constants are again subdivided as array, pointer, structure, union, enum. I will give you detailed information about these constants in later sections. So please note down what are the types of primary and secondary constant. Next is variables. Variables are those whose value can be changed throughout the programs. Variables are somewhat opposite to that of a constant. It is possible to declare a variable of various data types, such as integer, float, double, character, and many more. For example, if I have written int a, then that means a is a variable of data type integer. If I have written char c, that means c is a variable of data type character. Every instruction in C ends with a semicolon. Like in English language, every sentence ends with full stop. Then keywords. There are total 32 keywords in C. Keywords are significant words in C language. The words have special significance. They are predefined words. So some keywords are if, else, struct, union, enum, for, while, else, do, switch, type def, break, continue, and many more. So please note it down. What I have taught you, note it down, pause the video because it will be easier for you to revise again. I think you might be enjoying my lectures, so be curious, be joyful, and enjoy my lectures. The next lectures will be about types of constants in detail. Thank you, friends.